Okay, it's Rich B and AZ, and today I'm going to try and make a device that's going to modify my Harbor Freight tire mounting, bead mounting tool. I can't grip this enough to stop it from twisting out of my hands, so I'm going to try and make a wooden device to stop it from twisting. We'll see if it works. So I sketched out a sort of a 3-view plan of what I wanted to do. So I already had this existing piece here which has a hole in it from a previous job. Add 2 more bits of 2x4, put it all together, and then drill a hole through it at an angle. But I've got it lined up at an angle to try and suit this. I have a feeling this part needs to be vertical when it's mounting the tire, at least vertical, maybe even pushing over a little. So I have it mounted like this. I'm going to drill down through here, through all these pieces at an angle. Hopefully, I don't know if I can get all the way through or not, but we'll find out. Okay, after a kind of a tricky start, that seems to be working. I've drilled down to about the maximum depth the whole saw will go. So I believe at this point I should be able to snap that piece off somehow, maybe. Some of it. Just working my way around. This crack is widening, that's not good. Okay, change of plan. I've got it laid out on the side, so now I'm going to just cut down, make a square hole through this piece. So I'll get down a certain distance and then I'll chisel it out. Yeah, chiseling across the grain in this direction is quite easy. It just knocks all the stuff out. Chiseling across this piece, which is end grain sticking upwards, is a lot harder. But still, I think I'm going to be successful. Right, so I'll have to wait for the glue to dry. Thank you, FedEx. But I think this has a chance of working. This is how it fits in there. I'll screw it down. I have to jam in some, I've got some rubber shelving that may help with gripping. So we'll see how that works out.